Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the update safe and immediate. First, confirm your iPhone or iPad model supports the new release. This avoids wasted downloads. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your computer via Finder so you can recover if needed. Make sure the device is plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi network, then open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update to start the download. That gets the process moving without delay. You now execute the detailed middle steps. Tap Download and install and enter your device passcode when asked. This authorizes system changes. While the file downloads, monitor the progress bar and remaining time so you can plan interruptions. If the download stalls because of storage, offload unused apps or connect the device to a Mac or PC and update through Finder or iTunes instead. Make sure you don't interrupt power or network. Stable conditions reduce failed installs and save time. You complete the update by choosing Install. The device will restart and run its setup routines automatically. After it boots, follow any on-screen prompts and then check Settings General about to confirm the new version. Reopen apps to ensure compatibility and check available storage. Sometimes caches rebuild after updates. If the install fails or the device is stuck, connect it to a computer and update via Finder/iTunes or enter recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.